So I washed my hair yesterday and I applied leave-in and pulled it into this. So my hair's still in the 6 sections that I washed it in. So I have 3 on each side. And these are the same sections that I will go ahead and do the mini twists in. And my hair's not 100% dry. So I am going to go through with my blow dryer and do the tension method on like cool air. Not even like low heat, but actual cool air. Cause yeah. And I'll show you the blow dryer. This is the blow dryer that I had in my wash and go video that you guys were like, what is that? So it's my Philips Pro Styler. When it decides to focus, there we go. So it's my Philips Pro Styler. I do have a review on this. I'll link it right here. When I reviewed it with the paddle brush attachment, which I fell in love with. But in that video, I did also mention that it comes with like other bits. So it's got like a pick and these things right here. I know that after I put that video up, not long after that, the company that I bought it from actually sold out. And that was the cheapest that I found it at the time. But post edit of this video, I will have another look. If I find it somewhere else, I will put that in the description box for you guys to check out. I know that a lot of people in the US have the Revlon version, which has this, but that's it. It just comes like this. You can't take it off and it doesn't have any other attachments. So yeah, I'll also show you guys the products that I'm going to use. Sorry if I sound a bit stuffy. I am getting some kind of cold situation happening. So to do my mini twist, I'll be using my whipped shea butter from wildseedbotanicals.com. My shop is always either linked here or linked at the end or linked in the description box. Definitely check it out. Support a black business. You know. And then I'll also use my Cantu because I really like my Cantu. Probably to curl my ends. And whilst I'm at it, if my ends need it, I will be grabbing my scissors. You guys know I'm scissor happy. But yeah, this is going to be a great opportunity to just kind of get those little ends individually where possible. So yeah, I will probably come back when I've done a couple of sections to show you guys, and then I might show you the front. So this is my hair at the moment. It feels so soft and moisturized. Look at that. For my leave-in, I used my Sheer Decadence. I was just trying to work out what I used, but I used my Sheer Decadence. Yeah. So yeah, this is just in anticipation of possible like, did you film it? Comments that I might get, or what did you use, and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so this is exactly 1 week from the first part of the video that you just watched. I actually finished my mini twists last Tuesday. I also started them on Tuesday. It took me about 8 hours to complete them, and this is what it looks like being a week old. I do apologize. The plan was to come the next morning and show you guys, but I've been under the weather. I don't know if you can tell from my voice. And then I was also preparing for a pop-up over the weekend with Wild Seed. So yeah, I just kind of got a little bit swamped. And then yesterday, Monday, I was just trying to recuperate after the weekend, after the busy weekend, and I also had to run out and do a few errands here and there. So it brought us to Tuesday, which is exactly 1 week from when I did them. So this is what they look like. They're mini Some of them are bigger than I would like them to be, but I think I was just getting tired. There's a few at the front that I might actually split into like this. Like, this is definitely not a mini twist. If you can see the difference in size between these two. But I love it. I've really been enjoying it. It makes my life easy. Especially because I have been unwell, so it has made life quite easy for me. They've shrunken a lot. I haven't stretched them since I've done them, or since I installed them, and usually what I do with my mini twist is at night I do wrap it to keep it stretched, but I just haven't really cared enough, so I've just allowed it to continue to shrink. And this is the length that it stays once it's shrunken. This is what it looks like from the back. So, do excuse me for my voice, but here is close up. As you can see, it's already started to frizz. To get frizzy on the ends. Excuse me if I do look really, like, sorry if I keep looking over there, because I look really pasty and pale in the camera. I don't have makeup on, but I think just because I am a little bit under the weather, I look really like ghostly to me, so my eyes keep darting over there. But back to the mini twist, I've been really enjoying them. I've worn them in on Saturday I wore them in like in 2 flat twist pins, which was really lovely. I'll insert a picture from the pop-up when my hair was like that. But other than that, I've just been wearing it down like this. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a ponytail. So yeah, this is what it looks like in a ponytail. So yeah, that's what it's like if I pull my hair back. I'm gonna show you guys, because my ends are dry at the moment, and I'm gonna come back and I'm going to show you. Sorry, I feel tired, like physically tired, just talking in this video. That's how under the weather I am at the moment. But what was I saying? I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I re-moisturize my ends in order to avoid single strand knots. The frizzier and drier the ends get, the more unruly they become, the more likely they are to tangle and knot on themselves. So I will come back and I'll show you how I re-moisturize my ends. It's nothing fancy. I actually have a video when I did this like a million years ago. Not even the last time I had mini twists, it was probably the time before that, and I filmed it. So yeah, I'll come back, I'll show you guys. I'll also, I intend on having these for about 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. We'll see how long I last. But that's the aim, is to have it for about a minimum of 4 weeks, and in that period I plan to wash it twice. So the first time I wash it, which will be next week, making it 2 weeks since I installed it, I will come and I'll show you guys how I wash it and how I stretch it. That would be the best video actually, to show you how I wash and stretch the mini twist. But yes, like I said, I'll be back to show you how I re-moisturize my ends. As for like the bulk of the hair, I haven't had to re-moisturize my hair since I installed it, and I would have showed you the products I used previously to this part of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I just wanted to come back and show you guys that I did put the mini twist in, and I am sorry that I didn't film it as a tutorial, but it is literally just twist. I just twisted my hair in small sections, so I didn't think that was as important as how I'm going to maintain it, which I will be doing videos on. So yeah. Oh, also my earrings from my last video, the Sheer Moisture video, I got those on ASOS, and I'm placing a link for them in the description box. I'm also going to place a link for my spray bottle, which I always get questions about, in the description box as well. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Hopefully I'll be feeling much better. At least my voice is back. I lost my voice a few days ago as well, but I'm doing much better by God's grace. So thanks for watching. I love you guys. If you do have any other video requests for me regarding my mini twist, do let me know. In terms of our Ayurvedic hair care stuff, it hasn't ended. I'm definitely, you know, whilst I've got these in, of course there's a little break, but I will be back to those as well. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you loads. Find me on Instagram. Follow my business page. If you guys are not following my business page on Instagram, definitely follow Wild Seed. If you hadn't had a chance to try some of the products out, definitely give it a go, or at least read like the reviews and stuff. Yeah, thanks so much for your love and support. Mwah. Bye.